Hello, our kitty can draw friends. He's fast, he's fierce, and he is Shadow the Hedgehog. Let's draw him before he jumps out of your paper. First, draw a letter V with a curved bottom. Then draw an upside down letter U on each side and make them slightly tilted. Close them at the bottom with a curved line on each side. Draw a half circle at the bottom for the nose and mouth part. In the eyes part at the top, draw a curved line on each side. Then have an oval shape inside the eye and the smaller one inside. Then color it. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other eye. Draw a triangular shape for the nose. Color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Draw a curve under the nose on one side. Draw a curved line coming up from the nose and mouth part on each side. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. End this with an upside down letter V on each side for the ears. Then draw a smaller one inside. Close it at the bottom to add details to the ear. Repeat the same step on the other side. Draw half an oval shape connecting the two ears at the top. Then draw a long letter V coming down from it. Draw a wavy line coming down from the bottom of the face on the left side. Then draw a smaller one under it for the arm. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the right arm. Draw half a square at the end of each arm. Then draw two half circles connected to each other at the ends. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other ring. For the thumb, draw a letter U and closes at the top. Then draw a large letter C connecting the thumb to the ring. Draw some curved lines connected to each other for the fingers. End them with a tiny curve by the little finger. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other fist. Draw a vertical line coming down from each arm for the sides of the body. Then draw a diagonal line coming down from each side, going outwards. Draw an upside down letter V in the middle with a curved top. Draw a tiny curve coming down from each line of the legs, going inwards. Draw a half circle at the bottom of the left leg, a bigger half circle around it, then a third half circle and make it shifted inwards. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the top part of the shoe. For the rest of the shoe, draw a line coming down from each side. Then connect them at the bottom with a small half square. Repeat the same step on the other side. Draw half squares for the sole of the shoe, one at the front and one at the back. Repeat the same step on the other side. Let's add some details to the shoes by adding half square on top of each shoe and another half square on the part of the shoe around the leg. For shadow spikes, draw two letter V's facing sideways on each side of the head. Make them curved to make them look a little like the shark's fin. Decorate each spike with a curved line at the top half of each. To make the white fur on the chest, draw a zigzag line right under the face and connect it at the bottom with a letter V. Now let's add a curved line on each ring, on the hands and the legs, to make it look more detailed. And add some lines on the top of the shoes. You're no match for me. Now you can draw Shadow the Hedgehog from Sonic 3 the movie. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some part of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.